Here's how you set up Bluetooth with your Fusion audio system. Now, you're gonna come up here into your bottom left and the arrow with the circle, and always select Bluetooth. Once it's in Bluetooth, the screen will appear. Hit the three horizontal lines on the bottom right. Then you're gonna see Bluetooth, connections. Then you're gonna have these three options. Discoverable, you're gonna have that little box. Once you click on it, that check mark indicates that it's looking for Bluetooth. After you hit discoverable, you can look it up in your phone, pair both of them up, and accept it. You're gonna have here pair devices. You can select which device you want to, select, and you will have remove device. You just tap on the phone, it will automatically delete it. So that's how we pair up our Bluetooth to our Fusion Raken.